Hello everyone, welcome back to Ielts Simplified. I am again with you a new video of Ielts reading passage challenge, and this is our third day. So today I will again discuss with you vocabulary with meanings and synonyms with example sentences. So without any delay, let's start the video. So I choose for today's video general training 16 test section 1. So here we have reading passage 1, section 1, helping pupils to choose optional subjects when they are aged 14 to 15, what some people say. So here we have pupils word that we can highlight. Just, and here is the section A. I am studying Spanish because it is important to learn foreign languages, and I am very pleased when I can watch a video in class and understand it. Mr. Peckham really pushes us and offers us extra assignments to help us improve. That's good for me because otherwise I would be quite lazy. So here we have another word, pleased. Next we have history is my favorite subject, and it is fascinating to see how what we learn about the past is relevant to what's going on in the world now. It has made me understand much more about politics. For instance, my plan is to study history at university and maybe go into diplomatic service so I can apply a knowledge of history. So here we have new word, fascinating. Next we have Thursdays are my favorite days because that's when we have computing. Computing basically here is used for computer language. It is the high spot of the week for me. I love learning how to program. I began when I was about 8. So when I started doing it at school, I didn't think I would have any problem with it, but I was quite wrong. But when I leave school, I'm going into my family retail business. So sadly, I can't see myself becoming a programmer. Next, we have my parents both work in leisure and tourism, and they have always talked about their work a lot at home. So this word we have laser, we can say that, or layered, both are correct pronunciation. I find it fascinating. Fascinating again we have. I'm studying it at school and the teacher is very knowledgeable. Though I think we spend too much time listening to her. I would like to meet more people working in this sector and learn from their experience. I have always been keen on art. Keen on is a collocation. This is really good word to use in speaking. So I chose it as an optional subject, though I was afraid the lessons might be a bit dull. I need not have worried, though our teacher gets us to do lots of fun things, so there is no risk of getting bored. At the end of the year, class puts on an exhibition. Here we have word exhibition for the school, and I am looking forward to showing some of my work to other people. So let's now start vocabulary list with meanings and synonyms example. Here first word we have pupil, that is a noun, a student in a school. So basically pupil word is used for school children that are in kindergarten or in very early age school. So synonyms are learner or school child. Example, they are former pupils of the school. Next word we have pleased, which is an adjective, feeling or showing pleasure and satisfaction. Synonyms are glad, grateful, elated, thrilled, and cheerful. Example, I am pleased to hear you are feeling better. This is really good word to use in speaking. Fascinating. This is also an adjective. Synonyms are alluring, appealing, captivating, charming. For example, what makes this film so fascinating? Leisure. Leisure is a noun. time when you are not working or doing other duties. Basically, we call it leisure activities. For example, whenever we are free, there is nothing to work, then we use this word. Synonyms are spare time, recreation, or relaxation time. For example, the town lacks leisure facilities such as swimming pool. Keen on, that is a collocation which means liking, interested in, or wanting to do something very much. This word you can use instead of like in speaking. Synonyms are attracted to, fond of, eager, very interested. For example, she is keen on playing tennis. Last but not least, exhibition. Noun, a display or demonstration of a particular skill. Synonyms are presentation, demonstration, display, fair, carnival. For example, the photographs will be on exhibition until the end of the month. So this is the vocabulary list for today, and I will see you in next video. And definitely after 7 days I will share a PDF in description with you so that you can revise all the new words, and make sure you revise uh, both two videos and this one, so that we can continue with the fourth video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.